to Science with Adia. Today we are going to learn a magic trick with science. Here I have some magnets, a car, and a truck. I'm going to put this magnet under this car. Now I will put this smaller magnet on top of the car. This magnet is levitating. If you remember in a previous video, that like pulls, repel, and opposite attract. Let me put another magnet. Both of them are levitating. However, if I put the opposite pole on this magnet, they attract, and the force of these two magnets push this one down. If I put both of them the same pole, all of them float. Now let me move this car. The car is moving because the like poles repel. Now I learned a magic trick using science. Share this magic trick with your friends. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like my channel.